Hey y'all, we're back with another DIY. Today I'm doing an immune system support, which is a little bit different from previous ones I've done. So this one we're going to use 10 drops of Thieves, and I'm using a 10 ml bottle. Again, I get the bottles off of Amazon. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you'll want to just use this every day. Every day. I mean, why not support your immune system every day? Then we have 5 drops of lemon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, that one comes out so fast. And the ever wonderful frankincense. 5 drops there. And again, we're going to use your favorite skin supporting carrier oil or the V6 oil. A lot of people like that fractionated coconut oil. It's very good to the skin. But you can use grapeseed oil or jojoba oil, which are also very skin friendly. Mustard seed oil. And a carrier oil is just one that's going to help you dilute it. But you want to make sure it's a pure oil. We're going to put that top on there just a little bit and push down and turn. And there you have your immune system supporting oil. Shake it, baby, shake it, shake it. Label it and comment below today, and you'll be in a drawing for a mini bottle, roller bottle of the immunity support system. Y'all have a great day and live well.